Hello guys, welcome to my channel Newtula. Today we are going to know how to solve a 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube. This is the GAN 356 XS 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube. I bought it from cubelero.com, link in the description. If you want you can buy it from there. Okay दोस्तों, चले जानते हैं. Before solving a cube, you have to know the basic concepts of cube. What are the basic concepts of cube? The first basic concept of cube is you have to know how many sides are there in a cube and how many centers. Okay guys, there are total 6 sides for a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And you can also call it as the faces of the cube. And there are 3 layers in a cube. First layer, second layer, third. We have to go through each and every layer. We have to go through each and every layer so that we can complete the cube in total. Okay guys, let's begin the intro. The corners of the cube. Okay guys, what are the corners of the cube? These are the corners of the cube. The pieces which are at the end of the cube are called as the corners of the cube, and the centers of the cube are the pieces which are aligned perfectly at the center of the cube are called as centers of the cube. You can see this white center, orange, green, like this. And the edges of the cube, these are the edges of the cube which are aligned at the middle of the cube, like this. These are the edges of the cube. Okay guys, this is the basic concept of a Rubik's cube. Now let us know how to solve a cube and what are the steps involved to solve a cube completely. The first step to solve a cube is that we have to first make a plus with any color at the bottom of the cube. You have to align at the bottom. Okay guys, for completing step 1, we have to make a plus at the bottom of the cube. You can choose any preferred color you like. For this video I am going to choose white color as my preferred color. Okay, now you have to make a plus sign like this. Now you have to find a corner edge and bring that edge at the top of the cube like this by moving it like this. Now we had made a plus at the bottom of the cube. You had seen it. With all the centers aligned with the edges. Like this. Orange with the orange center, blue with blue, red with red, green with green. Now we had completed the step 1. Okay guys, this is the step 1. Now I am properly explaining you how to solve these plus. Before solving it. Okay. First choose a center. I choose white as a center. After that you have to arrange the edges. White edges are the perfect positions. Like this. There is an edge, you bring it upwards. Align. Now there is an edge. You bring it upwards. It is aligned. Now here is an edge. You bring it upwards. It is aligned. Now the cube is perfectly solved. Okay, cases you go through when you solving step 1. 2 opposite sides are correctly aligned. You can see here that 2 opposite sides are perfectly aligned. But another 2 sides are not aligned correctly. In this case, what you have to do? It's very simple. You just hold the cube like this and turn these red corners, turn these sides downwards, completely downwards until the white edge goes downwards. After this, just rotate these 2 layers of the cube 2 times. Now the edge is matching with the red center. After this, just bring back the red edge. Now you can see the edge is completely solved. Nothing is distracted from the cube. Okay guys, next there is an orange edge, only one edge left down of the cube. Now what you have to do? You have to find orange center and match with the edge. Okay. For this you have to find the orange center. Here is the orange center. Just rotate the 2 layers of the cube 2 times. Now orange center is matching with the white edge. Now let's bring back upwards. You guys know, you can see everything is perfectly solved. we had made the perfect place of the cube. Okay guys, we have successfully completed the step 1. Now let us quickly go through. In step 2, we have to solve the corners of the cube. These 4 corners. Because we had completed the plus and the edges matched with the centers. Now if we complete the corners of the cube, the complete first layer of the cube will be finished successfully. Okay, let us know how to solve the corners. Firstly, you have to find a corner which contains the white color, like this, white color corners at the top of the top layer of the cube. And after finding the white color corner, you have to look another 2 colors, that is green, orange. It contains green and orange color, and you have to place this corner at their respective centers, like this. Rotate the 2 layers of the cube. Now you have placed the corner with its center, orange color with orange center and green color with green center. It is perfectly aligned. And after this, you have to bring this corner at the bottom of the cube. For this, we have to simply do like this. Now this corner matches with its respective centers, green with green center, orange with orange center, white with white center, which means this corner is perfectly aligned. But in the process of doing this, we are distracting the other solved parts of the cube, like this. We are distracting the other solved parts of the cube. So to avoid these mistakes, we have to follow some simple steps. You don't need to remember any of the formula in this video. Just follow the simple steps to make this happen. First step, choose the corner which you have to place. Now we had chosen this corner, and now we have to place this corner here without distracting the other solid portion of the cube. For this, you have to simply take this corner and move it away from the placing corner. You wanted to place this corner here, so this will be the placing corner. Now just move this corner away from the placing corner. After doing this, bring this corner upwards. Now you have to place this corner here, like this. Bring it back, and bringing back, just take it downside. Now you had perfectly aligned the corner without distracting any other portion of the cube. Okay, like this you have to solve all the corners of the cube. Next corner. Now you can see here white. You find a white color corner with orange and blue colors. Now you have to find its respective centers, like orange and blue are the respective centers of orange and blue color corner. Now follow the same tips I had given. Just move it away from the placing corner and bring the placing corner upwards and bring it back, and finally take it down. Now the other part is also perfectly aligned, orange, blue and white. The other corner is also perfectly aligned. Like this, solve the other part. Here you can see green and orange, red color with white color corner. Now find their center. Here you can see red center, green center with green and red color. Now you have to bring this corner here at its placing position. For this, you have to move away the corner which you want to place from the placing center, like this. After this, bring the placing corner here and again bring it back. Finally take it down. Now this corner is also solved. Finally you have solved 1, 2, 3 corners. Only one corner is remaining. But you have seen a new case here. There are no corners at the top layer of the cube, but the corner is at the downside of the cube. In this situation, you have to make sure to take this corner and keep it here. For placing this corner here, you have to do a simple step. Just take this corner like this and move it aside. Now bring it back. Now you had not distracted any portion of any solved portion, and you had taken that corner front at the top position. But still you can't solve this corner because the white edge is not at the front layer of the cube. So you have to bring this white edge at the front top. For doing this, just you have to follow the same step. Bring upwards and rotate it. Rotate it till the corner comes here and bring it back. Now finally you find that this color is at the front top of the cube. Now you have to bring this corner at its respective centers. Red and blue center. Where is it? Okay, here red center and blue center. Red, blue, white. Now what you have to do? Now bring this corner at the placing corner here. You have to place this corner here, so it will be the placing corner. For this you have to move away from the placing corner like this and bring the placing corner up, then bring it back. Finally take it down. The corner is perfectly aligned. Like this you had solved the first layer of the cube successfully along with its centers properly arranged. You can see the first layer of the cube is completed. Okay guys, let's move on to the next step. Okay guys, now we had successfully completed the first layer of the cube. Now let's quickly move on to the second layer of the cube. Okay guys, now we have to solve the second layer of the cube. For completing the second layer, we have to solve these 4 edges. After completing these 4 edges, the second layer of the cube will be successfully solved. Like this, we complete the 2 layers of the cube successfully. For solving these edges, we have to make sure we have to bring these edges which are at the top of the cube at their respective centers. Okay, I'll show it how. Look here. Now let us pick and let us choose an edge. We pick this edge which contains the blue color and the orange color. And now we have to match this orange color with its respective center. Orange with orange. You can see here, orange is not matching with its respective center. Orange and blue. It is wrong. Now orange matches with the center. Orange and orange. Now after matching that, as we had done in the previous step, we have to bring this edge here at its respective centers, orange and blue centers. Orange and blue. We have to bring this edge at its respective center. For doing this, just we have to do like this. You can see the edge is matched with its center. In this process, we are distracting, we are making good portion of the cube worst. For avoiding these mistakes, we have to follow some simple steps. As you had done in the previous step, this step will also be the similar to the previous step. Now you wanted to place this edge here. Now this edge will become the placing edge of this edge. This edge will become the placing edge. Now for solving it, you have to take this edge away from the placing edge as you had done in the previous step. And after doing this, simply bring this corner upside of the cube and bring it back like this. Bring it back like this and bring it down. Fine. Now finally you have to solve the corner of the cube as you have done in the previous step. When you solve the corner, the edge will also properly aligned like this. You can see it here. The edge will also align properly with the cube. Now follow the same step as you had done in the previous step, like this. Blue and orange. Move away from the placing edge. Now you have to place it here, so move it away from the placing edge. After, bring the placing edge up, then like this, bring it back and bring it down. Like this you had properly aligned the edge with its respective centers. align the edge with its respective centers and without distracting the good portion of the cube. Okay, similarly you have to solve all the edges of the cube, all four edges of the cube. For doing it, let us choose another edge which is at the top of the cube, which is at the top layer of the cube. Let us take an edge. Here, let us choose red color. You can see here, red color. It matches with the red center. Now, you have to place it with its respective centers, which is already placed. You can see it here. It's placed with yellow and red centers. So, now comes an important point. You should always remember that you never choose an edge which contains the yellow color at its top, because yellow will be at the top position. So you cannot take and place yellow here at this place. So never choose an edge which contains an yellow color at the top. So we have to find an edge which does not contain the yellow color. It contains yellow color here, so we should not choose it. Now you can see this is a very rare case where you find that all the edges are with yellow colors at its top. Now how can you solve it? Okay, let us know it.
Yes! What?